Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
There are a lot of false statements made by the Labour Department. One question is asked to them, what is the registration of from annual contribution from registered workers, collection from registration? They saying not possible to provide data. Second question asked was, what was the self-certification scheme and who registered these workers? They mentioned it that workers were registered manually registered by the BOW board, which is again a false statement because the company LabourNet India Private Limited was a company which registered these labours from day one from this scheme. Secondly, in last hearing, I think they had submitted us saying that the directions for this scheme had come from central government, which is again a false statement they have made, and because they submitted the documents, few documents in which there was a notification from central union government, which was in the month of July 2019. The money already has been sent to the bank accounts of these fake beneficiaries in the month of March and April. 270 crores 43 lakhs, 273 crores 43 lakhs money which can be utilized for the workers' welfare, but BJP has used the welfare of their workers, so we can term their workers as now BJP labourers.